Hello, and because he owe me money, no one pick my call. He no one pick my call because he owe me money.
Sonny, you need that one first. Guy, I dey hungry. You need 290 wait first, make I find the money.
I know say na only 200 remain.
Now they tell you, how go take do am?
No say na 200 remain.
I want me with drink guy. No use and drink guy. Today and tomorrow, 2 days.
Yeah.
So make you calculate them.
Mathematics don't come.
Press am for phone. No.
Okay.
Keep am here.
Okay, let's say Gary 17 naira.
For Mama Trips place now.
Or Mama Shukura, anyone. So sugar 10 naira.
Yanji Deka.
Oh, you know.
Say me and they play well. I will tell her to make she sell and work for me go plenty.
Okay, what if you buy granola 20 naira?
Guys, press am now.
Granola 20 naira. Everything 100 naira.
Correct. Don't complete now. 100 naira today, 100 naira tomorrow. What is yourself now?
But Nigeria is not smiling at all.
No, we go still manage it.
Go buy the Gary now.
Go buy.
So where is the money now?
Check the one.
Check your pocket, Jare. You do me your wait be that one. Check your pocket and give me the money.
I keep on here now.
Where you keep on? Alaye, don't take me play. Give me the money, Jare. Where is it?
Nah, I keep on for here now.
Yeah, show me the money.
I keep on for here now.
Where is the money?
Earlier we realized this, the earlier every one of you realized it, the better it will be for us than Nigeria.
Give me wire, we go show.